Okay, good morning, grade 6 pupils and to our parents here. So like what I have been telling before, so I have been judging oral competitions for so long, that's up to this time. At lagi kong sinasabi, it's really hard to judge. No? Ang hirap kayang mag-determine. Pero of course, the criteria set ay nakakatulong to guide us in this scoring because like in the kind of contestants we have today, they're all good. Yung masasabi ko. But, of course, we have to come up with winners. Okay po? At yun ay nakasalalay sa ating criteria. Okay. But I would always remind you na a competition such as this, it's not just a matter of winning or getting medals or awards, but it is about bringing out the best in you. Yun ang mahalaga. And you're able to bring out the best in you. Diba? Okay. And based from our criteria here, 1, 2, 3, 4, apat ito, the mastery, kita naman natin, talagang may mastery kayo. Walang nag-buckle, tuloy-tuloy, diba? So, ibig sabihin, master nyo talaga. Dito nag-vary talaga sa delivery, sa actions, sa gestures and props kasali. Kasi merong magaling ang actions, okay, or gestures very timely. Kasi mahalagang timely yun. How you act it out must be kasabay ng what you say, how you say the word. Kung anong sinasabi mong word, yun ang action na dapat. Ano? Okay, so timely and perhaps. And another thing is yung facial expression. So dapat nakikita sa mukha ninyo yung ikinikwento nyo. Remember, varied ang characters na pinoportray ninyo. Pwede kayo masaya, malungkot, surprise, galit. But always remember, kasi you will be competing to other schools as well, a declamation contest should not be shouting and shouting only. Okay po? Hindi laging galit. Ano po? Lagi nyo tatandaan yon. Hindi laging galit kapag nagde-declare. So ipapakita ang damdamin sa pamamagitan ng voice quality na binibigay, the modulation of your voice, variation of tones, yun ang nasabi ko, kung kayo malumanay, kung kayo galit, kung kayo natutuwa, surprise, etc. Okay, mahalaga kasi yun, ano? So, may nakita kami na magaling talaga sa delivery, yung actions, gestures, pero yung modulate sa criterion naman, criterion na voice quality, medyo bumaba. O magaling yung voice quality, modulation, may variation ng tones, pero the way na dinideliver naman yung words at an action, medyo hindi ganun kataas ang points, di ba? So doon nagkakatalo. Walang nakakuha ng lahat ay talagang tataas-taas lahat. Lahat ng criteria, ha? Okay, so ganon. So, yung scores namin, in average, okay? And sum up, divided by 3, ito po ang ating winners. Okay po? So, we have two winners today, the first and the second, garnering a score of 93. 93 points. Second placer ito, contestant number 1. Okay? Then, garnering a score of 96.61. Our winner or champion today. Contestant number 4. Sino pang 4? Okay. So, sunod-sunod yun. And the rest, dikit-dikit lang, very slim ang difference ng score nyo magkakadikit. Ibig sabihin, kung irarank, eh talagang sunod-sunod, ano? Very slim. So, contestant number 4 is our winner. Okay. Ang kasunod nun ay 90, yung 93, ang kasunod nun 92 na, merong dalawa naka-92, nakatatlo, ang naka-92.